In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write effective OKRs with examples in ClickUp. To get started, make sure you're in your ClickUp workspace and open the list where you want to manage your OKRs. I'm in a list view that shows all tasks in my workspace, and this is where we'll build out the structure for our objectives and key results. At the top of the list, look for the area that opens additional options for this view. Click on the highlighted icon or text that expands the menu. From there, select Templates. ClickUp has a built-in OKR template that gives you a solid, structured starting point instead of creating everything from scratch. In the Templates window, search for or select the OKR template that best matches your needs, then click on it. Once you've selected it, click on Use Template. This tells ClickUp you want to import that ready-made setup into your current location. Next, choose where this template will live. Click on Team Space and select the most relevant space for your team or department, such as marketing, product, or operations. Placing OKRs in the right space keeps ownership clear and makes it easier for your team to find and update them. You'll see some additional options before you import. Click on the highlighted settings or advanced options, then click on Customize Import Items. This is where you can choose what you want to bring in: statuses, fields, tasks, and so on. Take a moment to deselect anything you don't need to avoid clutter. Now click on Remap Dates. This is really useful because it lets you shift the template's dates to match your current or upcoming quarter or year. Instead of using old due dates from the template, you can align everything to your real OKR period. When you're happy with the settings, click on Use Template again to finalize the import. Once the template is applied, navigate to the OKR section in your space and click on it. Here you'll see a structure for objectives and key results. At the top, you might see something like a yearly container, for example labeled as a calendar year. Click on that to open it. Within that, open the Progress Board view. This board is designed to show the status of each objective and its linked key results, making it easy to track progress at a glance. You'll also see time filters like this quarter and next quarter. Click on this quarter to focus on your current OKRs, then switch to next quarter to plan ahead. You can move between these filters to compare and prepare. Finally, explore the different views available. Click on Progress Board again to return to that Kanban-style overview, and then click on Timeline. The Timeline view is perfect for visualizing when each objective and key result starts and ends, and for spotting overlaps or unrealistic workloads. With these views and the OKR template in place, you're ready to write clear, measurable objectives in ClickUp and track them effectively across your team.